application of DNA technology and genetic engineering is insulin production. Basically it is insulin के बारे में हम लोग लिखेंगे. It is released from the beta cells, islet of Langerhans. It basically decreases the blood glucose level. Insulin basically carries the glucose from the blood and it transfer to the insulin receptor present on the cell, due to which the activation of GLUT4, and GLUT4 helps in uptake of glucose from the insulin to inside the cell, and further the glucose is used for the metabolic activity. Basically it was discovered by Sharpie Skeffer in 1916, which studied the islet of Langerhans. It is insulin that regulates the carbs and fat metabolism. Structure is 51 amino acid is used. Molecular weight is 5808 Dalton. Insulin hormone is basically the dimeric or dimeric because it contains chain A and chain B. The mature insulin contains chain A plus B, but immature insulin is contain A and B and plus C chain. A chain is made up of 21 amino acid, B chain made up of 30 amino acids. Now the production of insulin in this will take the gene A and gene B. Will isolate this gene from the beta cells. Then we get the chain A and chain B. Now we'll insert into the vector. We insert this into the vector. As we had studied that the gene will get and we'll do the restriction and endonuclease. We'll cut the plasmid and then we'll introduce a gene of interest. Then we recombine them and then we'll transfer into the vector in E. coli. We'll both synthesize A and B gene separately, and then we isolate A gene and then B gene, and we'll do the recombination of the insulin. बी जीन हम लोग डालेंगे इसके अंदर ई कोलाई के अंदर. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग फर्मेंटेशन फिर उसके बाद ना एंटीजन हम लोग बना लेंगे जो हमारा चेन ए और चेन बी है. उसके बाद इन सबको आइसोलेट करने के बाद अब इन दोनों को हम लोग डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड से जो और रिकॉम्बिनेशन इंसुलिन बन जाता है. ह्यूमिलिन